Hello and welcome to our video. Today we're going to talk about some really cool and futuristic technologies, augmented reality, virtual reality, and spatial computing. Don't worry, we'll explain them in a way that's super simple and fun. Let's start with virtual reality, or VR. Have you ever worn those big goggles called VR headsets and suddenly felt like you were inside a video game or another world? That's virtual reality. In VR, everything you see is created by a computer. The world, the people, even the things you touch or move. You can walk on the moon, swim with dolphins, or explore a haunted house, all without leaving your room. Virtual reality means you are inside a completely virtual or fake world. A famous definition from the Virtual Reality Society says, virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Now let's move to augmented reality, or AR. This is a bit different. Instead of replacing the real world, AR adds things to the real world. Imagine you're looking through your phone's camera and suddenly you see a dinosaur standing in your room, but your room is still there. That's AR. A very popular example is the game Pokemon Go, where people walk around in real life and find Pokemon using their phone. The Pokemon aren't real, but your phone makes them look like they are right there with you. Augmented reality means you are still in the real world, but with computer images or information added to it. And now comes something even cooler, spatial computing. This one is a little tricky, but we'll keep it simple. Spatial computing is when computers understand the space around you, like your room, and help you interact with digital things using your body, your voice, or even your eyes. Imagine waving your hand in the air to move a menu, or using your voice to turn on a digital light in your room. That's spatial computing. A good example is Apple Vision Pro or Microsoft HoloLens, devices that mix AR, VR, and spatial computing. These tools understand your space and let you use apps and games in the air around you. Famous tech expert Simon Greenwald said, "Spatial computing is the human interaction with a machine in which the machine retains and manipulates reference to real objects and spaces." That's just a fancy way of saying the computer knows where you are, what's around you, and helps you use digital tools in the real world. Let's quickly remember, VR, virtual reality, equals a totally computer-made world. You wear a headset and enter another place. AR, augmented reality, equals your real world plus digital objects, like adding fun things on your phone screen. Spatial computing, computers that understand your space and help you interact naturally. These technologies are used in games, education, medicine, shopping, and even space training. Imagine learning about the solar system by walking among the planets, or doctors practicing surgeries in VR before real operations. That's how powerful and useful these tools can be. A quote from Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, Facebook, really fits here. "The future is about building virtual worlds that feel just as real as the physical one." And guess what? That future is already here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll bring you more fun and simple topics very soon. See you next time.